Good morning, everyone. My dear students, today we are going to learn about eclipse. But before starting with the eclipse, I just want to tell you that if we talk about the sun is the source of light, but the earth and the moon, they are not the source of light. वो क्या होते हैं? Earth and moon opaque objects होते हैं. If you remember, we had discussed about three type of objects. कौन कौन से objects होते हैं? Transparent, translucent and opaque. और इनमें डिफरेंस क्या था? ट्रांसपेरेंट मटेरियल्स क्या करते थे? दे अलाउ द लाइट टू पास थ्रू देम. ट्रांसल्यूसेंट क्या करते थे? दे अलाउ ओनली सम लाइट टू पास थ्रू देम. और ओपेक क्या करते थे? ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट्स दे ब्लॉक द लाइट, एंड सिंस दे ब्लॉक द लाइट दे क्रिएट अ डार्क शैडो. राइट, तो ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट शैडो बनाते हैं. राइट, और यहाँ पर अर्थ और मून क्या है? ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट, तो दे विल ऑल्सो कास्ट द शैडो, they will also create the shadow. Right, now in both the cases, we are in case of eclipse, there are two type of eclipse. Right, we have solar and we have the lunar eclipse. We are going to learn about both type of eclipse today. Right, अब इन दोनों केसेस में जो मेन कॉमन चीज़ है वो क्या है? द सन, द मून एंड द अर्थ, all three are in the straight line. I repeat, sun, moon and the earth, all three are in the straight line. Right, अब eclipse में होता क्या है? You know, in eclipse what happens? The sunlight falls on the moon or the earth, and when it falls on the moon creates a shadow on the earth, and when it falls on the earth create the shadow on the moon. Right, and this shadow created, this is called as eclipse. राइट, तो दोनों टाइप की एक्लिप्स होती हैं जो सोलर और लूनर होती हैं. उनमें एक बेसिक डिफरेंस यही होता है पोजीशन का. किसकी पोजीशन का? मून और अर्थ की पोजीशन का. राइट, एंड दिस इज हाउ द शैडो इज क्रिएटेड बाय द ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट्स, दैट इज अर्थ एंड मून. राइट, सो हाउ इज एक्लिप्स फॉर्म? एक्लिप्स occurs when the shadow of moon or the earth falls on another body. Right, now let us switch over to the next part, that is the solar eclipse. Let us learn about solar eclipse now. I told you the difference between solar और lunar में क्या है? Position of moon and earth. ठीक है, now let us see in the solar eclipse. If you look at in the figure, first पे क्या है? sun, second मिडल में क्या है? मून, और थर्ड पे क्या है? अर्थ. राइट, अब मून क्या है? ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हेन लाइट फॉल्स ऑन द मून व्हाट विल हैपन? इट विल क्रिएट अ शैडो, और शैडो कहाँ बनेगी? ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द सोर्स. वो क्या है? अर्थ. दैट मीन्स द मून इज ब्लॉकिंग द सनलाइट एंड इट इज क्रिएटिंग द शैडो ऑन द अर्थ. राइट, सो in this case what is happening? This shadow created on the earth, it is called as solar eclipse. Right, now if you see sun, moon and the earth, they are in the straight line. Moon is in the middle and the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. This is how solar eclipse occurs. Right, so solar eclipse happens when the moon gets in the way of sunlight and casts its shadow on the earth. So remember that moon is in the center, moon is in the middle of sun and the earth. Right, now there are two type of solar eclipse. Right, let us see now. Two type of eclipse, solar eclipse, are total solar eclipse and partial solar eclipse. Now what happens in the total solar eclipse? Solar eclipse में क्या हो? Total solar eclipse में sun is completely blocked by the moon, and you know, on the earth we are not able to see the sun because it is completely blocked by the moon. If you look at in the third figure में जो region C है, that is the area where the total solar eclipse take place. Because the area in this part, you know, at this part sun will not be visible at all because moon is going to block the sun. Have you got it? Right, now if we talk about the partial solar eclipse, इसमें क्या होता है? sun is partially blocked by the moon, right? And some part of the sun is visible. और वो कहाँ शो कर रखा है? इन द रीजन बिटवीन ए एंड बी. जो रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट रह जाता है सी को एक्सक्लूड करके, वो वाले पार्ट में हमारी होती है पार्शियल सोलर एक्लिप्स. तो एरिया जो अर्थ पे एरिया, वो वाला एरिया है एक्सेप्ट द सी पार्ट. एट दैट पार्ट विल बी एबल टू सी द सन पार्शियली, right? And if you look at the first two figures, you can see in the first one, देखो, the moon is blocking the sun completely. And are you looking at the oval shape like structure which is there on the right side? I marked it with the arrow. You know, this is called as a diamond ring. और ये तभी बनती है सोलर एक्लिप्स के टाइम पे. इट्स अ सॉर्ट ऑफ अ रिंग, यू नो. इट लुक्स लाइक, यू नो, द लाइट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम दैट पार्ट. दिस इज फॉर्म्ड ड्यूरिंग total solar eclipse, right? Have you understood? And in the second figure, you can see it's a partial solar eclipse because sun is not completely blocked. It is partially blocked by the moon. And one important thing is, जो solar eclipse होती है, it always occur on a new moon day. New moon क्या होता है? It is one of the phase of the moon. You've already studied in your lower classes. New moon में क्या होता है, you know? It's basically, it looks like dark, right? तो dark side of the moon faces the earth. मून की दो साइड्स होती है ना, एक ब्राइट साइड एंड डार्क साइड. तो जो डार्क साइड होती है दैट फेसेस द अर्थ, एंड दैट इज वाई वी कॉल इट एज अ न्यू मून डे. एंड सोलर एक्लिप्स ऑलवेज अकर्स ऑन द न्यू मून डे. हैव यू गॉट इट? बिकॉज dark side of the moon faces the earth, that is why the solar eclipse occurs on the new moon day, right? So what we have studied in the solar eclipse, eclipse क्या होता है? It is the shadow which is formed by the earth or the moon, right? Solar eclipse में क्या होता है? Sun, earth and moon, they are in the straight line. Moon is in the middle, and when sunlight falls on the moon, moon creates a shadow which falls on the earth, and this is called solar eclipse. These are of two type, total and partial. Total में क्या होता है? sun is blocked by the moon completely, right? और partial में क्या होगा? sun is partially blocked by the moon. Clear to you? And it occurs always during new moon day. Why? Because the dark side of the moon faces the earth, right? Now let us come to the lunar eclipse. Again there is a change in position only, nothing else. Sun, moon, earth, they are in the straight line, but now earth is in the middle. अब earth middle में है. So when it is in the middle, what is happening? Sunlight is falling on the earth, and when sunlight falls on the earth, what will happen? Earth is the opaque object, and earth will create a shadow. This shadow is going to fall on the moon. This is called as lunar eclipse. That means lunar eclipse happens when earth gets in the way of sunlight hitting the moon. So if you look at in the figure, we have the sun in the first position, then we have the earth in the middle, and then we have the moon. So shadow of earth is falling on the moon, right? Now again, this lunar eclipse is also of two types. That is total lunar eclipse and partial lunar eclipse. अब total lunar eclipse में क्या होता है? Moon is not visible, क्योंकि जो अर्थ की शैडो है वो पूरी शैडो के अंदर वी हैव द मून ओवर देयर. तो मून इज़ नॉट विजिबल एट ऑल. इफ़ यू लुक एट इन द फिगर एट पोजिशन ए, जब मून एक पोजिशन ए पे है, इफ़ यू लुक एट द थर्ड फिगर, तो वहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? द मून इज़ अंडर द शैडो ऑफ द अर्थ. इट्स नॉट विजिबल. पार्शियल में क्या हो रहा है? इफ़ यू लुक एट द फिगर एट बी पोजिशन, यू कैन सी partial moon is there, right? How? Because some part of the moon is under the shadow and some is outside the shadow, right? So this is shown at position B. Here moon is partially visible, right? And lunar eclipse occur on the full moon day. Remember that. Why? Because at this time bright side of the moon faces the earth. वहाँ पर क्या था सोलर में? The dark side of the moon faces the earth. So solar eclipse occur during new moon day. और यहाँ पर क्या है? Bright side of the moon faces the earth. So lunar eclipse occurs on the full moon day, right? So the difference क्या हुआ दोनों में? The difference is that in that case moon was in the middle, here earth is in the middle, right? Now shadow of moon was falling on the earth, here shadow of the earth is falling on the moon, and solar eclipse occurs during new moon day and it occurs on full moon day. I hope it's clear to you now. Lunar eclipse and the type of lunar eclipse, that is total and partial, right? So these things you have to remember, that is solar eclipse, types of solar eclipse, lunar eclipse and types of lunar eclipse. I hope this part is clear to you. Thank you.